Adding materials is a great way to share information with students and to help keep them organized. Materials could include something like a syllabus or links to websites or other helpful information that you might want to share with all of your students. So when I start, I'm going to select the classwork tab here. And you'll see I already have two topics set up, one for class materials and one for a project. I like to have a topic for class materials. I just feel like it helps keep me more organized, and hopefully it helps to keep the students more organized as well. When I select create, notice materials is one of the options I have. I'm going to select material and a new window opens up that looks very similar to what you would see for an assignment or for an announcement. I can select different classes if I need to. I can select certain students as well. In this case, I'm just adding a syllabus, so I'm going to use that for the title. I could add a description here. It's totally optional. If you add a material that maybe needs some additional explanation, it's a great way to put something additional on there without having it clutter up the title. I'm going to add the topic here for class materials. If you didn't have a topic already available, you could always create a new one. And you'll notice down here, just like with an assignment or an announcement, I can attach a file. I can import something from Drive. I can link to YouTube or even a web link here. In this case, my syllabus is in Drive. So I'm going to go ahead and select that and pick the syllabus here. Add that. You'll notice right now I don't have an option here to make a copy for every student. That's because with materials, they know it's reference material, so Google's automatically making it view only for all of your students. Additionally here, I have the same options as I do in announcements and assignments. I can post right away. I can schedule, but remember you can only schedule for one class at a time, or I could save it as a draft if I'm not ready to post yet. In this case, I'm ready to post, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And it should post in my class materials topic. Now, I also have another material I want to include under this class material. So I'm going to go back to create, select material again. In this case, it's for students to find their grade. I'm going to add that again to my class materials topic. That's also in Drive. And I have the document here. I'm going to add that as well and post it right away. And now you can see in my topic under class materials, I have two separate posts with two separate materials. I can drag and drop them to put them in any order I want. Now let's say I have a project I want students to work on, and I have some resources that are specific to that project. In this case, I have an endangered species project here, and I have some project guidelines and a link I'd like them to investigate. I can add materials in the same way. In this case, I'm going to add multiple materials to a single post. So I'm going to create material. This is going to be resources for the project. Again, I could add a description. In this case, I'm going to add them specifically to the project topic. My first one are a set of guidelines. So I am going to select that from my Drive and add. My second one is a link to a website I want them to investigate. So in this case, I'm going to copy this link, go under the link here and add this, and post to class. So now when they look at the Endangered Species Project, they'll see material that's listed once. If they select that material, they will see both links I've added, the Google Doc and the link to the website.